This lesson is a grammar lesson on when to use the ed or ing adjective. Is it interested or interesting? First things first, confused or confusing? These two words mean very different things, and mixing them up is one of the most common mistakes in English. The ed adjectives describe how a person feels, and the ing adjectives describe what causes the feeling. That's why you often hear ing with the it. It was interesting, it being the thing that caused the interest. The simple rule. The ed adjective is the emotion you feel or a person feels. The person receives the feeling. I'm bored. He's bored. You feel the boredom. Ing is the cause of the emotion. The thing creates the feeling. The thing. It. This class is boring. The class causes the boredom. Think of it this way. An ed adjective is inside you, and an ing adjective is outside you. A story from Toronto. Meet Stacy. She just moved to Toronto from Vancouver and started a new job at a marketing firm downtown. Stacy's story, Part 1. Monday morning at the office. Stacy's manager gives her a long report to read before a big meeting. This report is so boring. The report causes the feeling. It is boring. I'm bored reading this. Stacy feels the emotion. She's bored. Both sentences are correct. They just describe different things. Stacy's story, Part 2. The team lunch. Stacy's co-workers invite her to lunch. The conversation is lively and everyone is friendly. The conversation is exciting. The conversation is the cause, so ing. Stacy feels excited. Stacy, it's inside her. She feels excited. She's the one who feels it. Stacy's story, Part 3. The big presentation. Stacy presents her ideas to the team. It goes really well. Her ideas were fascinating, said her manager. Stacy felt fascinated by the team's feedback. She was surprised by the applause. Applause means, yay, you did good. Let's look at some common pairs to know. Bore. Bored or boring? I feel bored. The meeting is boring. Remember, one is inside and one is outside. Excite. Excited. She feels excited. Exciting. The news is exciting. Confuse. Confused. He is confused. That's his feeling inside. Confusing. The instructions are confusing. Surprise. Surprised. We were surprised. That was our feeling inside. Surprising. The result was surprising. Don't be confused here because ing does not have to go with an it. It could be a person too. She is surprising, but that's not her feeling. It's how I feel about her. She's the thing causing the feeling inside me. Here are 4 more words that are commonly misunderstood or used incorrectly. More pairs in real life. Relax. Cottage weekends are relaxing. I feel so relaxed. Interest. Canadian history is interesting. I'm interested in it. Canadian history. Embarrass. The moment was embarrassing. I was embarrassed. Tire. Long shifts are tiring. I feel tired after work. Your challenge. Answer in the comments below your opinion. Was Stacy's story interesting or boring? Tell me why. There are no wrong answers, just great practice. Want more lessons like this? Subscribe to Melissa Carroll, My English Teacher. Comment below what grammar topic should I cover next? Let me know. Share. If you know someone learning English, send this lesson their way. Every little bit helps. Thanks.